Hello guys, good morning, beautiful people. And I want to share my recipe today is a Filipino food. It's a sinigang baboy or is a pork. I show you all my ingredients to use to cook the recipe. Here's my ingredients. We have the kangkong. This is. And we have long beans. Then big chilies. Then we have tomatoes, onion. Onion is any color of onion you want to put it. But I like much red onion. I think it's more nicer the onion red than the white or yellow. And we have the mix, a sinigang mix or the tamarind powder. This is to make sour the sinigang recipe. And the main ingredients we have the pork belly. It's about 1 kilo. So we have uh, 7 ingredients. Here you go. So let's start to do cooking. Then I show you after a few minutes. Bawasan ko ang taba. Masyadong mataba. Para mabilis din maluto. Yung taba, matagal. So cutting the pork belly like this. So, like this thick, the thickness. This is one popular recipe of food. So, done cutting pork. Then continue the other ingredients. Tomatoes. And chili. Green chili just wash and you don't need to cut one. Just put all the whole thing. I show you later when I start cook. Everything must be washed first. Okay. Simulan na natin ang magluto ng sinigang. First, I need to let it fry the pork so that the smell go away. Just if you, I think 1 minute is enough. So first, put a bit of oil inside the pot. Second, you cut the oil, then put the pork belly inside the pot. Nagbago na yung kulay ng karne, pwede na lagyanan ng tubig. 1 liter. Ilang and half. Kasi meron yung mga hot belly na hirap maluto. Hindi magkasya yung 1 liter na tubig. So I put 2 liters of water. Let it boil and soak the pork belly. When boiling, then can put the onion and tomato. Let it cover first. So I put already the long beans. Need more minutes to cook the pork. When you cook the sinigang is about 45 minutes. So at the first, make it boil higher, and then about 15 to 20 minutes, then make slow down the heat. Put into medium heat. Then cover it and continue cooking. Then let's check. Okay, already. Then it's time to pour the vegan mix. You want more sour, you put 1 packet, about 44 grams. Let it boil boiled, and you can put also the chili. Now, later last, the very last one to put on is that one, the fastest. Maraming klaseng ang pagluluto ng sinigang. May sinigang na hipon, may sinigang na isda, yung bangus or milkfish. Pero mas marami ang nakakagusto sa sa sinigang na baboy or pork belly. Kasi mas malasa at saka masarap. So, best one, popular sa Pinas na food, sinigang na baboy. Gustong gusto ko rin itong food ng Pinoy na to. Wow! Bango! Yummy! It's time to check. Wow! There! Sarap! Seasoning with sauce or patis. I put 1 tablespoon. I put a bit salt. Sarap ito. Mmm. Wow. It's not bad. Then it's time to put now the kangkong. This one can steam on by the smoke cover. Mas masarap yung hindi overcook ang kangkong. Mas nice and crunchy. Cover. Let it boil a bit. Yummy, yummy. Wow, bango. You see guys, be sure you see the meat so soft. Mm. Wow. Then let's apply. Mm. Nice. There you go. It's done. This is the sinigang baboy. So okay guys, I done cooking my sinigang na baboy. So I show you and let's taste the food. So here you go. You see the meat so yummy. Ooh, sarap ang Pinoy na food. Mm, nice. Very soft. Yung belly niya. Mm, yummy. I end this video here, and I hope you guys to enjoy the video and give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.
Guys, please subscribe and hit the like button just right down below your comment. Thanks for watching.